bafethu imbengwana lapha yi-interpreter kubadlanga commission. Hayi into ingaye namhlanje before singena kule testimony yanamhlanje nje efaka i-interpreter uNkabinde abafethu asiqhithisa umntana ebhedini. Abafana sebendwendwe lo witness K sokubanjwa witness K apha indlela nibona ngayo bebefuna nowesibini and suspect into nguBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi but abamfumananga malunga neza precious stones ukutshontsha kweza precious stones eziwutha ama-millions. Nizakhumbula ke into yoba enye ithube seyibanjiwe mose uStolz noMackenzie abaphume ngebail and kwi-statements zabo kanye kuma-affidavits wabo kubonakala belahlela uBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi ngongathi bona basebenza nge-instruction kaBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi. Owesithathu umuntu bekebanjwe nabo beke-appeare nabo ecourt ku-ATN. Sibone nje isimanga senzekayo pha kusuthiwa u-ATN i-state si-withdraw ama-charges against u-ATN. Ndazibuza into yoba bablendare njani i-IPD blendare njani kula case because ngoku kuzavela imicimbi efana noba u-ATN sekefuna ukusuwa i-state for ukubanjwa ebanjelwa into engekho ncam. So andiyazi ncam ithi into ka-ATN but ke lathu iphume ngebail izolo njoba namhlanje kubanjwa u-witness K nje kubonakala bafuna ususpect omnye number 2 namhlanje which I suspect into yoba nguBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi. He bafowethu badla ngisiphethe bafowethu mase siphuma kuPhadiachi apha iphone kaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngesikake. Abafowethu singena komnyumba namhlanje kuno officer bangase ngomnye ke ngokuyena ungena kula mcimbi wezaziyobisi ezathi zalahleka ezaziyobisi zakwela cala lase Potchefstroom. Abafowethu naman njoba efika yena unayo xa umamela i-testimony yakhe ufuna ukulahlela uJacob phansi. Hayi interpret isiphethe hayi isiphethe unigqibe xa ke sithi ngizoba ngithanda zifaka nje ivideo zakhe zephatha zinichazile ne but kamnandi ke le ayidingi noba interpretwe because nizazivela mosi ngoba uthetha le language enizayiva nani qha nje ufuna ukuthi le ndoda ndini nguJacob ke lo utsho njalo kubephi athi ufuna ukuthi le ndoda ibihubhuza nje amanga usebenzisa amagama afana nalawo. Ngiyanixelela so nje ayi that one ayidingi noba ndibe ndiyiphinda ngokwami imnandi xa isenziwa nguye kamnandi uthetha lela nje sizathi sizivelela so ngizawusifaka nje iclipunyana zakhe nje ezimbalwa. Bafethu ingalo yomthetho yona inde enityala aliboli. Babeke bacinga into baba untouchable labatshonela ilanga xa kunamhlanje because uba ngaba bebayile kwi suspect number 1 bambambile uwitness K then xa beya ku suspect number 2 abamfumananga ingathi bavumele nje umntana wathi umntana utata akekho and bathe xa besisho njalo ndacinga into ba kumele into ba nguBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi umuntu abamfunayo so basethe nje they need to go back to i-drawing board bayo check into ba bazamfuna bamfundisele ngakweliphi icala. So ngizawufaka into ze-interpreter yethu ke apha naye umpangasi wakhona umpangasi ufike wathi ufuna i-interpret hayi interpreter bafethu yas-entertainer even uCommissioner Madlanga uvakale ehleka. Hayi akakwazanga uzibamba naye ngicela nizihlekele ngokwenu nibe ne-weekend emnandi bafowethu masithembe into yobuBrigadier Julius Mkhwanazi bazamfumana and njengathi nje bazimisele into bazathini bazamsenga kakhulu not kancinci ngapha uye kaPhadiachi ke ivele yavela nje nayo pa hayi into yakhona into yoba hayi iDEC bafowethu bokuyinyanyani Indian cabal and ngoku iphazeli seyahlangana into yoba uShamila Batoyi National Director Public Prosecutions then kube ngabe be-iDEC onto Johnson kube ngoKhani kube ngoFadel Adams kube ngoPatricia Mashali kube ngoMark Bright kube ngoPaulo Solovoni. Niyibona nje into yoba yicamp A1 kube ngoPhadiachi uyayibona nje into yoba bayana bakwela qembu so njoba besilazi igama le-Indian cabal nje andikho noba ndibe senisithi Indian cabal plus colored cabal ngoba nje ikhona nje cabal inyana ngoku sengathi iyafomisheka seyifaka ke ngoku nabani nama-colored because abanye ngama-colored ngapha ningalibalanga no-swart ne ngubani kanene ngubani nalowa yena lo wayeyibodyguard kaGeneral Shadrack Sibiya okanye yilanto akayiyo nje uyayibona nje into yoba ikhona nje into nje bebeyifomile nje yona uyinto bebeyidlala pha ngapha ke khona uMohammed Sayed ngapha kukhona uMazothi niyayibona mos yonke lento iyayithini ihlangana bafowethu umbuso na bebezowubhukuqa bafowethu So nje asiyazi yawuzala Nkomoni ngapha uKarim Sulumani nabo basezi like ininzi nje ekaKarim Sulumani into kuthiwe ke sizayiva kahle next week Friday njoba namhlanje kuzi 17 zika July 2026 uba uyawuzala Nkomoni hayi bafethu asiyazi kodwa iMahlangu Commission seyisibonisile nje into ba each and every weekend inazo injongo zoba kube khona abazalala bebaliwe bavuke bechekiwe awu bantu. I wonder Witness K yinto wayeyisukele ngandle umfazi oke watsho wathi unabantwana.
You being somebody whose area of operation was priority violent crime, instead of calling those people whose area of operation was narcotics.
uJacob Londini bese sukayo biza wena bekhona abantu abanolwazi olunzulu ngalezi zinto zimdakwamile wena ungale kule la kusenzwa khona ngezodlame ngabe uyazi ukuthi kwenziwa yini lokho?
Izathu lokho engisikhumbulayo.
The reason which I could recall
Ukuthi Lieutenant Jacob wayengazwani nawo mabili ama groups.
wayengazwani. The reason the Jacobs was not in good terms with both groups.
Does that mean he did not work with them?
Kusho ukuthi bengasebenzisani nabo?
Wayengasebenzisani nawo.
Yes, did not work with.
So whenever he worked within his area of operation, he always got people who were not within his area of operation.
Manje kusho ukuthi kube kufuneka yenze into enjengalelo operation. Kusedingeka ukuthi alande abantu angasebenzisani nabo.
Noma ngingasakhumbuli kahle noma
Even if I do no longer recall very well.
Ngoba yena wayephethe yona igroup yakaSanap.
Group kaSanlam.
Sanap.
Because he was in control of the Sanam group.
Ukuthi obana babengaphansi kwakhe ngisakhumbula.
The people who were under him, I do not remember.
When he said he asked you to go and find out if warrant officer CBR was available, he was being untruthful.
Yeah, ngenzeka
It is possible.
ngenzeka ukuthi mhlambe wayengasakhumbuli kahle.
Ngenzeka ukuthi
Wayengasakhumbuli kahle.
possibilities that he was not remembering well.
Yeah, the other possibilities, he was just being plain and truthful.
Kodwa futhi kungenzeka ukuthi hamba manga.
Yes.
Yes.
Of your statement, you say that Colonel Jacob said that you must book the exhibits out to be taken to the forensic lab. So that's why I focused on the notion of booking out.
Angithi uyabona uyakutshela futhi yena lo ndoda. Wathi book out.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
I do, I understand, I hear that.
I think I would accept it better if you said Lobaba than Lendota. Yes, I am in Dota.
So zamkuyihlonipha le ndoda singathi uJim asingathi uno sithi ubaba umnomzana umnomzana lo umnomzana hayi le ndoda athi liyahlaba liloka. As the commissioner, please.
Or did we get a response? What was the response?
Manje konje uphendula.
I was just, in fact, it's just for you to note. I'm just referring you to the paragraph of your statement where I got this notion of booking exhibits out. It's just for you to note.
Noma ungasaphendulanga nje befuna ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi kwakhona okushiwo yema kubuka out.
Izweli.
Kufanele kubhale. I understand.
You say to us, I didn't know that I'm required to put them in SAP 13. That's why I thought, because we have now put them in a vault in Port Shepstone DPCI, it's okay. Because I didn't know or understand the national instruction. That's the only answer that would make sense, but it would be problematic, but it would make sense.
Uyabona uma kube mhlawumbe uzothi hey bengingazi ukuthi kufanele kwenziwe njani mhlawumbe cishe ngathi iyamukeleka leyo nto kodwa noma inganangqondo hayi ngathi uyasishasha manje kodwa sicabanga ukuthi la uyibheka lento mfowethu lapha kweSAPC 13 yasilesiphinga naso siphuma lezi zinto akusahambelani lepha bezingena SAP 13 yasesiphingo ngokomthetho kufanele kube kwazekale ukuthi njengoba seziphuma ziyapi kwenzakalani kanjani akukho ngathi impela ayikhona akusho kahle
ngiyaphinda ngiyasho futhi ukuthi ngiyamuzwa uCommissioner Baloyi ukuthi uqhamuka kuphi nalokho akushoyo, but mina ngiyasho ukuthi ngokwami ngayitshela ukuthi asikho isidingo sokuthi ngiyifake kwi-SAP 13 yase-Potchefstroom ngoba sasesiwafakile lesiphingo kwi-13 yasesiphingo.
I see from which angle, Commissioner, you're coming from, but I thought from my own thinking that there were no longer a need for us to put them again, to register them, because we had already done so in Sipingo, SAPS 13.
Ngokwami futhi cabanga kwami
That was my own perception, thinking.
ukwenza kwethu ngaleyo ndlela kwakuzokhavwa i-statement esasizoyibhala sichaza ukuthi ama-exhibit asukile Sipingo aya ePotchefstroom.
Well,
Cabanga kwami
on my own, I thought that was going to be fixed on the statements which we are going to make to cover that gap. That's how I thought.
Yeah. No, your answer is not, your explanation of why this happened is completely unsatisfactory. I must say that to you.